the sea, the open sea, the blue, the fresh, the ever free. Good day, everyone. We, the students of GVM's Dr. Dada Vaidya College of Education, are here today to talk to you about marine parks. Marine parks. Marine park is a type of marine protected area. MPA. MPA is a section of the ocean where a government has placed limits on human activities. Marine parks are multiple use, meaning they have different zones allowing different types of activities. Marine parks usually allow recreational activities such as boating, snorkeling, and sport fishing. Open zones include zones for commercial fishing, no-take zones which prohibit extractive activities such as fishing, mining, and drilling. Marine parks in India. There are 6 marine national parks in India. Marine National Park, Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Gahirmatta Marine Sanctuary, Odisha. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, Tamil Nadu. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And Malwan Marine Wildlife Sanctuary, Maharashtra. These were set up to conserve marine biodiversity, whether it is the smallest sea turtle or the large vulnerable species called the cows of the sea. Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. Marine National Park in Gulf of Kutch is situated on the southern shore of the Gulf in Jamnagar of Gujarat. It is the first national marine park of India. It was established in 1982 under the provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 of India. The total area of the national park is about 162.89 km square. There are 42 islands on the Jamnagar coast in the marine Gulf of Kutch National Park. Most of them are surrounded by reefs. Some of the best known islands are Pirotan Island, Poshitra Island and Narara Island. Out of 42 islands, 33 islands have coral reef. Now what is this coral reef? A coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Most importantly, they provide protection and shelter for many different species of fish. There is a wide variety of plants and animals in Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. Flora, that is plants, mangroves, different species of sea grasses and seaweeds. Fauna. There are 27 species of prawns, 30 species of crabs and lobsters, Portuguese men of war, mudskippers, pearl oysters, and octopus which change colors. There are turtles like green sea turtle, olive ridley turtle, leatherback turtle. Endangered sea turtles are seen here. Whale shark, common dolphins, and dugong. There are almost 90 species of birds. Greater flamingo, crab plover, sandpipers, western reef egret, Eurasian oystercatcher, great egret, green shank, ruff, red shank, gull, skimmers, terns, stork and pelican.
Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is a beautiful place located in the Andaman district of Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, also known as Vandoor National Park, established in the year of 1983. Total area of the park is 281.50 kilometer square. There are 17 islands in the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. There are more than 270 species of birds that call the island home, including white-bellied sea eagles, parakeet, and Andaman tail. The rich flora and fauna of the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park makes this park an ideal destination for the nature lovers. Flora: Andaman bullet wood, ferns, orchids, bamboo, and silk cotton tree. Fauna: angel fish, butterfly fish, surgeon fish, parrot fish, green sea turtle, olive ridley, water monitor lizard, and leatherback turtle, banded sea snake, king cobra, pit viper, estuarine crocodile, spotted deer, fruit bat, Andaman wild pig. Here are some of the best things to do in Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Visit a turtle breeding center, snorkeling, scuba diving, bird watching, and boat rides.
The next national park is Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. It is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It was founded in 1996 and covers the area of around 256 km square. The natural habitat of the park includes lagoons, coral reefs, beaches, lowland evergreen rainforest, semi-evergreen rainforest, and mangrove forests. RJM has a unique collection of flora and fauna of the Andaman Islands. The aquatic life on the park consists of well-developed fringing coral reefs, marine life, avifauna apart from other wildlife. The live coral cover ranges from 56% to 82% on reef slopes and 23% to 39% on reef flats. Crocodiles, the gong, Andaman water monitor lizard, and fruit-eating bats are found in this park. The fruit-eating bats are the main attraction of the park as they help in maintaining the ecological balance of the park by pollinating and dispersing seeds to the plants. Narcondam hornbill is also found in the park. Other than that, 126 species of animal life is found in the RJM park.
Malvan Marine Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Maharashtra. Malvan is one of the richest coastal areas in Maharashtra, and Malvan Marine Wildlife Sanctuary is rich in coral and marine lifestyle. It is located in Sindhudurg district of Maharashtra. The main wildlife attraction of this sanctuary are black-headed gulls, terns, plovers, waterfowl, and egrets. It covers area around 29.22 square kilometer. It was established on 13 April 1987. The best time to visit this wildlife sanctuary is throughout the year. The Malvan Marine Wildlife Sanctuary is extraordinarily wealthy in coral and marine lifestyle. The marine plants and fauna here pertain to sea anemones, mollusks, polychaetes, pearl oyster, corals, seaweed, and mangroves. Sea anemones, then mollusk, polychaetes, pearl oyster, corals, seaweeds, and mangroves. Scuba diving and water sports in Malvan. These are the different water sports available in the Malvan.
Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park in Tamil Nadu. Gulf of Mannar is a large shallow bay and it lies between the southeastern tip of India and the west coast of Sri Lanka. The estuaries of Thamirabarani River of South India and the Aruvi Aru River of Sri Lanka drain into the Gulf. Some features about Gulf of Mannar. In 1986, the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park declared, and in 1989, the park and its 10-kilometer buffer zone were declared. It is the first marine biosphere reserve in Southeast Asia, a chain of 21 islands. About 3,600 rare species of flora and fauna like fishes, coral reefs, seahorse, algae, marine plants, etc. are found in Gulf of Mannar. The coastal buffer zone includes beaches, estuaries, tropical dry broadleaf forest, and the marine environment includes seaweed, seagrass, coral reefs, salt marshes, mangrove forests. Some of the fauna found in the Gulf of Mannar are cow mermaid and turtles, and the flora are coral reefs, and these are some bleached coral reefs.
Major threats to marine life: overexploitation, recreational and commercial activities, pollution, habitat destruction and fragmentation, non-native species invasions, and global climatic change. Students pledge to protect marine life at home and in the classroom. Students, now let us take a pledge. I will use alternatives to plastic straws or avoid straws altogether. I will pack my lunch in reusable containers. I will skip disposable bottles of water and switch to a metal or glass bottle. I will recycle any plastic I do need to use. I will discover more about marine animals and share with my family and friends. Let us work together to protect the planet. Thank you.